Hi guys, so I got this, what's it called? Play-Doh Slime Super Cloud. It's pink. It can come in all different colors, but I'm going to be showing you how to make crackle sounds out of it. So, hang on. Okay. So, you're gonna wanna push down on one side so it stays, and then you're gonna try and make bubbles with it, and you're gonna repeat this process like a million times. No, I'm kidding. Like almost 20 times. And then I'm gonna move it up here. You're gonna want to repeat this process a lot. And then you'll get crackle sounds. Or another way you can do it is by doing this. Doing that, and then I got some out of that one. It's back by the toy aisle at Kohl's, if I didn't already say that. I don't know if I did. And then you're going to want to swirl. Just like that, and then I got some out of that, so yeah. That's two of the ways you make cracks with slime. And this isn't really a slime to make cracks with. It's slime to stretch and play with. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to make your slime crack. So, yeah. Make sure you turn on post notifications. Like this video. Comment down below if you've ever gotten this slime Play-Doh from Kohl's. So, thanks for watching this video. Like I said, like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye!